Hello students, in last lecture we discussed about the formula method of the quadratic equations, and we finding the value of discriminant and taking the some questions to finding the nature of roots. Okay, means finding the roots. Today we taking a few questions related to the formula method. Today we finding the roots of that equation. And you know one root is alpha and second root is beta. X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. That b square minus 4ac is correct discriminant. Okay, so formula बनता है x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root d for the discriminant upon 2a. Okay, so by using that formula today we are solving the remaining questions. Okay, so let us start. Take the very first question. So मैं जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आज हम यहाँ पे स्टडी करने वाले हैं, you have to practice all these questions at home also. Okay. So first one is x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x minus 3 upon x minus 4 is equals to 3 1 by 4 1 by 3. Okay. So obviously x is not equal to 2 because 2 minus 2 is 0. That is meaningless process. Again x is not 4 because 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 at the denominator is meaningless process. That's why. So we taken x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x minus 3 upon x minus 4 is equals to 3 1 by 3. Okay. So this is not a quadratic equation at this moment. Okay, so we have to convert this equation. So listen and keep in mind one thing. To solving the equation by formula method, we have to first of all take the quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. And then coefficient of x square as a, coefficient of x as a b and constant term as a c, and then use the formula. Okay, तो पहले हम इसको किसके फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे? ax square plus bx plus c के फॉर्म में. Okay, so you take it for that by cross multiplication you get that x minus 1 into x minus 4 as a x square minus 4x, x से multiply कर रहे हैं, minus 1 into x is minus x, minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4, then x into x square, x into minus 2 minus 2x, minus 3 into x minus 3x, minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 upon denominator x into x square, x into minus 4 minus 4x, minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus into minus plus 8 is equals to, you can write this number as a 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 by 3. I got it. हमने cross multiplication ले लिया, product ले लिया. So you get the x square plus x square as a 2x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x minus x minus 3x. You get the minus 10x, 5x 10x. Okay, 4 plus 6 10 upon x square minus 6x minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 is equals to 10 by 3. अब फिर से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे because we need in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So you take in the 2 3s are 6x square minus 30x plus 30, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करिए और यहाँ पे आएगा 10 into x square 10x square minus 60x 10 into 8 80. So get the 6x square, if you transfer toward this side, 10x square minus 6x square, it is 4x square, minus 60x minus 30 converted into plus 30x, so it is minus 30x, greater number minus smaller number, sign of greater number. 80 minus 30 is the 50 is equals to 0. So can you take 2 common because all the numbers are in the multiple of 2. So you taken the 2 common, तो easy जाता है हमारे लिए. So 2x square minus 15x plus 25 is equals to 0. If you take it toward this side, it is 0 upon 2, that is 0. So we get the 2x square minus 15x plus 25 is equals to 0. If you compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get that a is 2, b is minus 15 and c is 25. Now first of all we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, that is the d. d is equals to b square minus 4ac, that is minus 15 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 25. So what is the minus 15 square? Minus 15 square is 225 minus 4 2s are 8, 25 8s are 200. Okay, so we get the d is equals to 25. Got it? Now use the formula. What is the formula? X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root d upon 2a. Okay, so b का वैल्यू क्या मिला हमको? minus 15. So taking the minus 15 plus or minus under root value of d is 25 upon 2 into a का वैल्यू क्या है? a is 2. a is 2. The value of a is 2. So minus into minus plus or minus root of 25 is 5 upon 4. So you get the x is equals to 15. First time we take in the 5, that is positive 5. Then we take in the negative 5 upon 4. Or x is equals to 15 minus 5 upon 4. So 15 plus 5, 20. 20 upon 4 is 5. X is equals to 5. Or 15 minus 5, 10. 10 upon 4 is equals to 5 by 2. This is the solution of the given equation. X is equals to 5 or x is equals to 5 by 2. Are you got it? Write it please. Then we take in the next one question. Second question. One upon x. क्या question second? 1 by x. We take the answer directly. 1 upon x. इसका मतलब x का वैल्यू 0 नहीं हो सकता. Okay. Plus 2 upon 2x minus 3. इसका मतलब x का वैल्यू 3 by 2 भी नहीं हो सकता. Is equals to 1 upon x minus 2. Again, x is not equal to 2. Okay. So first of all, convert the given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, and then apply the formula. So we converting it by cross multiplication. You get 2x minus 3, x into 2, 2x upon x into 2x, 2x square minus x into 3 is 3x is equals to 1 upon x minus 2. 1 upon x minus 2. Then 2x plus 2x, 4x minus 3 upon 2x square minus 3x is equals to 1 upon x minus 2. If you multiplying by cross multiplication, 4x into x, 4x square, या आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं 4x into 3 into x minus 2 is equals to 1 into 2x square minus 3x as it is. अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. मैं एक स्टेप स्किप कर रहा था. 4x into x, 4x square, 4x into 2 minus 8x, minus 3 into x minus 3x, minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 is equals to 2x square minus 3x. Are you got it? So you get the 4x square minus 2x square minus 8x minus 3x minus 11x minus 3x convert into plus 3x plus 6 as it is equals to 0. Okay. So equation is 2x square minus 11x plus 3x is minus 8x plus 6 is equals to 0. Again, we get all the numbers are in the multiple of 2. So take the 2 common. X square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. Again we get the x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. If you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get the value of a as a 1, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4 and c as a 3. C is equals to 3. First of all, find the value of discriminant. Here you may write the equation. आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. X is equals to minus b plus or minus root under root d upon 2a. First of all, find the root d. तो क्या है discriminant का value? b square minus 4ac. b का square मतलब minus 4 square. Minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 3. 16 minus 12. 4 3s are 12. So get the value of discriminant as a 4. You got it? So put the value there. For x is equals to minus b का value क्या है? Minus 4 plus or minus under root d मतलब 4 upon 2 into a का value क्या है? 1 minus b plus or minus under root d upon 2 into a is 1. So we get the minus into minus plus or minus root of 4 is 2 upon 2. Therefore, x is equals to 4 plus 2 upon 2 or x is equals to 4 minus 2 upon 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 2 is 3. X is equals to 3 or 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. This is the solution of the given equation. Got it? Write it please. Then taking the next one. Next article. Third one मैं skip करता हूँ. We have to solve the third. You take in the fourth and fifth. Fourth and fifth यहाँ पे लेता हूँ मैं. So I skip the third one. We taking here the fourth and fifth. Okay. Write the fourth and then we taking the fifth one. 16 upon x, it means x is not equal to 0. 16 upon x minus 1 is equals to 15 upon x plus 1. Okay, इसको solve करते हैं. X is not equal to minus 1 and x is not equal to 0. So you get the 16 upon x. You converting this one toward the left side. So plus converted to minus 15 upon x plus 1 minus 1 convert into plus 1. Okay. And then by do the cross multiplication. By cross multiplication we get the 16 in bracket x plus 1 minus 15 into x is 15x upon x into x plus 1 is equals to 1. Got it? So you get the 16 into x, 16x plus 16 minus 15x. Okay? Upon x into x is x square plus x into 1 is x is equals to 1. So you get the 16x minus 15x is x. So x plus 16 is equals to 1 into x square plus x is x square plus x. Then x square plus x get cancel. Minus 16 is equals to 0. अब यहाँ पे कौन सा टर्म absent है? Middle term. So you can write the ax square plus 0x plus c is equals to 0. Okay, got it? So if you compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay. What is the coefficient of x square? Not given means 1. b is equals to मिडल टर्म absent है तो इसका मतलब b का वैल्यू क्या होगा 0. If constant term is absent, constant term होगा 0 and ax square तो option हो ही नहीं सकता because it is quadratic equation. Got it? So what is the value of c? C is equals to minus 16. Okay. So first of all we have to find the value of discriminant. B square minus 4ac. B square मतलब 0 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 16. So we get the 64. Minus into minus plus 16 fours are 64. Then put the value in a formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root d upon 2a. Got it? Minus b इसका मतलब क्या है 0 plus or minus under root 64 upon 2 into a का value है 1. So we get the x is equals to plus or minus 8 upon 2. Okay? Root of 64 is plus or minus 8. So therefore x is equals to 8 by 2 or x is equals to minus 8 by 2. So we get the value of x as a 4 or x is equals to minus 4. This is the solution of given equation. Here which term is absent? Middle term is absent. Right. Then we take in the last question. It is 1 upon x minus 3. One upon x minus 3 minus 1 upon x plus 5 is equals to 1 by 6. Okay. So obviously x is not equal to 3 and x is not equal to minus 5. Okay. By taking the cross multiplication, x plus 5 minus x plus 3 because minus 1 से हम multiply करेंगे upon first bracket x minus 3 second bracket x plus 5 is equals to 1 upon 6. Are you got it? Then plus x minus x get cancelled. 5 plus 3 8 upon x square x into 5 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equals to 1 by 6 by solving this bracket. Okay. By cross multiplication we get the 48 is equals to x square 5x minus 3x is 2x minus 15. So we get the x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 48 is equals to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 63 is equals to 0 by taking the addition. If you comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get the value of a as a 1, b as a 2 and c as a minus 63. Have you got it? Then first of all find the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. b का square है मतलब किसका square है 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 63. 4 square is 2 square is 4 minus into minus plus. Okay, 4 3s are 12 and 4 6s are 25. Means with carry 4 plus 2 52, that is the 256. This is the value of discriminant. ये किसकी वैल्यू है? Discriminant की. Now we have to use the formula. What is formula? X is equals to minus b plus or minus, क्या फार्मूला है? माइनस बी प्लस और माइनस under root d upon 2a minus, what is the value of b? 2, plus or minus under root 256 upon 2 into a का वैल्यू क्या है? 1. Got it? Then we get the minus 2 plus or minus, what is the root of 256? It is 16. 16 upon 2. Okay, so take the one value positive and second value as a negative. Minus 2 plus 16 upon 2, or x is equals to minus 2 minus 16 upon 2. Okay, therefore x is equals to 14 by 2, or x is equals to minus 18 upon 2. Okay, so x is equals to 7, or x is equals to minus 9. This is the solution of the given equation. Are you got it? Okay, so you have to solve the third one question and practice each and every question again as your own. Practice करो. Okay, मुझे खाली पूजा का फीडबैक आ रहा है, उसके असाइनमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, उसके डाउट्स आ रहे हैं. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बाकी स्टूडेंट ने भी करना चाहिए, आप करते होंगे प्लस, बट प्लीज सेंड इट. ओके, आई विल चेक इट, और कुछ डाउट्स है तो मैं आपको सॉल्व करके दूंगा. ओके, थैंक यू. इसको फिर से सॉल्व करो. हैव अ गुड डे. थैंक यू.